Hi all, my topic is software quality. Software quality. Software quality means a quality product does exactly what the user wants it to do. The software quality is a complex and multi-layer concept that must be described from the following five different points of view: transcendental view, user view, manufacturing view, product view, and value-based view. Transcendental view, excellence. It deals with the metaphysical aspect of quality. Quality is something that can be recognized but not defined. Quality is recognized but it is difficult to define. Quality is a property that we learn to recognize only through a experience. User view. Fitness for purpose. How the product meets the user needs and it is often measured by the reliability and usability. Quality as a fitness for purpose. According to this view, while evaluating the quality of a product, high quality product is one that satisfies the expectations and preference to the consumer while meeting his requirement. Manufacturing view. Conformance to requirements. The extent of which the product meets its specification, defect counts and rework calls are two characteristic to measure. Here, quality is the conformance to specification. The quality level of a product is determined by the extent to which the product meets its specification. Product view. You get what you pay for. The quality is related to the internal characteristic of the software, and higher quality software and more expensive to make. Quality is viewed as the precise and measurable variable. The product view is attractive because it gives the raise to an opportunity to the explore the causal relationship between the internal properties and external qualities of a product. Value-based review. Engineered to price. Quality depends on the amount the customer is willing to pay for it. In this perspective, depends on the amount of the customer is willing to pay for it. These are the five different viewpoints of software quality. The factors that affect software quality. Accessibility. The degree to which the software can be used comfortably by a wide variety of people, including those who require assistive technologies like screen magnifiers or voice recognition. It helps to ensure the accessibility of a technology for people with disabilities and older users. Compatibility. The suitability of software for use in different environments like different devices, operating systems, and browsers. Compatibility is a non-functional ensure customer satisfaction. It is used to determine whether your software application or product is proficient enough to run in different browsers, database, hardware, operating system, mobile devices, and network. Concurrency. The ability of a software to serve multiple requests to the same resources at the same time. The collection of technique and mechanism that enable a computer program to perform several different tasks simultaneously. Correctness. The extent to which a program satisfies its specification and fulfills the customer mission objectives. This requirement deals with the correctness of the output of the software system. Efficiency. The ability of software to perform well or achieve a result without wasted energy, resources, effort, time, or money. Efficiency deals with the hardware resources needed to perform the different functions of the software system. It also deals with the time between recharging of the system, portable units such as information system units located in a portable computer. Flexibility. Effort required to modify an operational program. This factor deals with the capabilities and effort required to support adaptive maintenance activities of the software. Functionality. The ability of a software to carry out the function as specified or desired. It deals with the software application or any computing devices can perform for a user. Installability. The ability of software to be installed in a specified environment. Effectiveness and efficiency with each a product or system can be successfully installed or uninstalled in a specified environment. Extent to which to software or data by an unauthorized person can be controlled is called integrity. The factors that deals with the software system security, that is to prevent access to unauthorized person, also to distinguish between the group of people to be given read as well as write permit. Interoperability, effort required to couple one system to another, checks whether the software can interact with other software components and systems. Localizability, the ability of software to be used in different languages, time zones, etc. It verifies that the user interface of the program being tested can be easily translated to any target language without re engineering or making code modifications. Maintainability, the ease which the software can be modified, adding features, enhancing features, fixing bugs, that the factors consider the effort that will be needed by the user and maintains personnel to identify the reasons for software failures, to correct the failures, and to verify the success of the corrections. Performance, the speed at which the software performs under a particular load. A testing practice performed to determine how a system performs in terms of responsiveness and stability under a particular workload. Portability, the ability of software to perform a required functions under stated condition for the stated period of time without any errors. Reliability, the ability of software to perform a required function under stated condition for the stated period of time without any errors. Reliability requirements deals with the service failure. They determine the maximum allowed failure rate of the software system can refer to the entire system or to one or more of its separate functions. Reusability, extent to which a program or a part of program can be reused in other applications. The factors that deals with the use of software modules originally designed for one project in a new software project currently being developed. They may also enable the future product to make use to given a module or a group of modules of the currently developed software. The reuse of the software is expected to save the development resources, shorten the development period, and provide higher quality modules. Scalability, the measure of software's ability to increase or decrease in performance in response to change in software processing demands. Scalability is the measure of systematic ability of increase or decrease in performance and cost in response to change in application and system processing demand. Security, the extent of protection of software against unauthorized access, invention of privacy, theft, loss of data, etc. Security means that the software will not put data or computing system at a risk of unauthorized access. It is a process that helps design and implementation of software that protect the data and resources contained and controlled by the software. Testability, the ability of a software to be easily tested. Testability requirements deals with the testing of the software system as well as within its operation. Usability, the degree of software ease of use. Usability requirement deals with the staff resources needed to train a new employee and to operate the software system. So, these all are the factors that affects the software quality. Achieving software quality. Software quality does not just appear. It is the result of good project management and solid software engineering practices. Software management and practices are applied within the context of four broad activities that help a software team to achieve high software quality: software engineering method, project management techniques, quality control actions, and software quality assurance. Software engineering methods. If you accept to build a high quality software, you must understand the problem to be solved. You must also be capable of creating a design that conforms to the problem while at the same time exhibiting characteristics that lead to the software that exhibits the quality dimensions and factors. Project management technique. The implications are clear if a project manager use estimation to verify that dates are achievable. Schedule dependency are understood and the team resists temptation to use shortcuts. Risk planning is conducted so problem do not make chores. Software quality will be affected in a positive way. In addition, the project plan should include the explicit technique for quality and change management. Quality control. Quality control is the process through which you achieve or improve the product quality. The quality of a software project deliberates can be checked by a regular quality review and or an automated software assessment. The quality control is a tip of a quality management. As a rule, it observed even when the rest of the quality management is overlooked. The product oriented quality management component starts simultaneously with the software development. Quality control includes the software testing activities predetermined by a quality plan. A combination of measurement and feedback allows a software team to tune the process when any of these work product fails to meet the quality goals. Quality assurance. Software quality assurance is a set of activity for ensuring the quality in software engineering process. Software quality assurance is simply a way to assure the quality in software. Software quality assurance is a process which works parallel to development of a software. It is a process-oriented part of quality management which would be introduced as early as a project planning stage. The software quality assurance established the infrastructure that support the solid software engineering methods, sensible project management and quality control actions which all are essential to build a high quality software. The goal of the quality assurance is to provide the management and technical staff with the data necessary to be informed about the product quality. Of course, if the data provided through the quality assurance identifies the problem, it's the management responsibility to address the problem and apply the necessary resource to resolve the quality issue. In quality assurance, it is the management responsibility to address the problem and apply the necessary resource to resolve the quality issues. These all are included in the quality assurance.